This is my ML350 W166. It's a 2015. I've got this air duct that takes the air from out front of the car and go into the engine. This is the original one broke, so I got this aluminum pipe with duct tape, and there's a kink in there, so I'm going to replace it with this new one that I got from TEMU. So I'm going to be replacing both sides. This one I'm also using duct tape to hold it together. This pipe is quite loose now, so I'm going to replace it. So to get this out, there are just that clip and that clip, and there's two underneath there. So the way we get it out is just get a screwdriver and just pry it out. So that comes out. So the one in there is a little bit tight to do it and film. You just gotta kind of wiggle it out. There's a couple of tabs that holds it in place. So here's the new one. The brand is Midland, and I'll put the part number in the description. So this is the one, my old one. As you can see, that's ripped, and this is just my temporary aluminum pipe that I put in. So I've got both the pipes installed now. This one on the left with this brand fits perfectly, so everything fits just fine easily. Whereas this one, there was no brand marking. In there it fit perfectly, but this one was maybe 2 millimeters too small, so I've had to cut a hole on this side just to make it fit. But everything else seems good. This one seems just as sturdy as the original, and this one as well. That's it. Thanks for watching.